Now we are on chapter number 12, putting it together. We are close to being done with our random zombie generator. Let's create a public function that ties everything together. We are going to create a public function that takes an input, the zombie's name, and uses the name to create a zombie with random DNA. Okay, now let's create a function that should be a public function. So it can be called from outside of smart contract. The function public, and just copy the name again. Yes, and pass string memory underscore name. Okay, the first line of the code should run the generator random number. Okay, it should call the function, name the function on name is pass. Okay, now let's get the variable and save it in rand dna. Okay, the second line should run the create zombie function and pass it name and random number. Okay, now let's call this function here and let's pass underscore name comma random DNA that we have generated using generate random DNA function. Pass it here. So the solution should be 4 lines of code including the closing of the function. So yes, these are 4 lines of code, 1 2 3 4. So let's generate it, just copy it, satellite it here, and just now check the answer. Great, victory. So we have we have created a function create random zombie, in which we have first create a generate random DNA, then pass it to the create zombie function, which will create the zombies. So let's move on to the chapter number 13. So we have completed 12 chapters. Now let's move on to the chapter number 13.